I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you found yourself with a suspended Pinterest profile, don't worry. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any messages from Pinterest regarding the suspension. They often send an email explaining the reason for the suspension and any steps you need to take. Step 2. Review Pinterest community guidelines. Make sure you understand the rules that Pinterest has in place. This will help you identify any potential violations that may have led to the suspension. Step 3. Submit an appeal. If you believe the suspension was a mistake, you can submit an appeal through the Pinterest Help Center. Fill out the form with as much detail as possible. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. It can take several days for Pinterest to review your case and respond. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you haven't received a response after a week, consider following up with Pinterest support. Sometimes the gentle nudge can help expedite the process. Remember, patience is key during this process. Good luck, and I hope you get your profile back soon.